I'm heading to Melbourne as of tomorrow. Moving here, I've never been to Bay of Plenty before. I moved here on a whim. Just so happened to like the crew that I work with. And even within the first 2 months of working in the studio that I moved to, we closed down because we couldn't find enough work. So, you know, I've been working 7 days since maybe like March this year. It's pretty rough, bro, I won't lie. To be a tattoo artist at the moment in this climate, there's been a lot of studios that have closed down, a lot of people who have had to go into regular work per se. Yeah, in like a post-COVID world, it's quite hard. Like a lot of people are quite scared to spend money on luxuries, which I can't say I blame them, in all honesty. So it's been rough. I just want to try something and just fail at it if I need to, you know? Like I don't like being in my comfort zone for too long, and I've been here for a year. Happy to have been here, beautiful place, but it's time to move, time to go on. Super excited, terribly excited, bro. Couldn't have come sooner. Should have gone yesterday.